Welcome to Artful Thinking. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of art and exploring Edvard Munch's famous painting, The Scream. Artful Thinking is like a detective game for exploring art. Let's play the Elaboration Game with The Scream. So you're going to look at the painting for 10 seconds, and then you're going to describe what you see for another 10 seconds. All right, let's go. Look at the painting for 10 seconds. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and describe what you see for another 10 seconds. Go. All right. Did you notice the person on the bridge, their hands on their face, and the chaotic sky behind them with the colors that seem to move? Next, we'll use reasoning in Artful Thinking to understand the painting better. In the beginning of The Scream, we see a person looking shocked or scared, standing in the bridge. That's sort of the beginning, like what we first see. What do we see next, like the middle part? We see the person's mouth is wide open in a scream. And then there's swirling colors in the sky, and it adds a feeling or fear or anxiety. For example, you might say the person seems overwhelmed and the sky looks like it's moving fast. Then the last thing, sort of like the end of what we see in the scream, the person's expression shows intense emotion and the environment around them becomes more chaotic. Example for this would be the figure's hands are on their head and everything around them looks very distorted. Next, we'll move to questioning and investigating using Artful Thinking. It's sort of like see, think, wonder. What do you see in the scream? So you're going to describe the colors, shapes, and emotions. What do you think is happening in the painting? Why do you think the person is screaming? What questions do you have about the scream? What else would you like to know? By using Artful Thinking, we can explore the scream deeply, understand the emotions behind it, and ask creative questions to learn more about Edvard Munch's masterpiece. Art isn't just about what we see. It's about how it makes us feel and think and see the world around us. Thanks for joining Artful Thinking. Keep exploring and discovering new things.